Hi, my name is Nancy Best. I am currently an 8th grade language arts teacher at Hamilton Middle School in Wichita Public Schools. It is a Title I school. I've taught there for all of my 6 years teaching, and I have both 8th and 7th for reading intervention and 8th grade language arts core classes. Um, my strengths in technology, I would say that I'm always willing to try new things, and because I have good classroom management, my students know that there's a very good chance we'll try something new every day or several times per week related to technology. And so I would say I'm not afraid to try new things. I love trying new websites like Nearpod, Plickers, um, several different things. One of my weaknesses, I would say, is just making sure that I incorporate language arts standards with the technology rather than just using it to engage students and because it's cool or something that they enjoy doing. So making sure, again, that I am incorporating the language arts standards is probably a weakness of mine when it comes to technology specifically. The technology that I have available to me as a teacher, we all have laptops, and in the classroom I have a smart board, which I heard someone else say that it's kind of become more of a projection screen, which it has in my classroom as well, simply because we use the Chromebooks all the time. I also have a document camera, which I use for students to model their assignments and show their work, or for me to model for students. But the technology that students use, I have a Chromebook cart that is new to me this school year, and it contains 24 Chromebooks, which my largest class is 30 kids, and so sometimes we borrow laptops to be one-to-one in the classroom. But we do use the Chromebooks pretty much every day, and they are getting my students just received their own Google accounts this year for the first time in our district. And so that's kind of taking some getting used to for them and for myself, since I just was exposed to Google and all of the apps recently as well. So I'm not very comfortable with Google Apps for Education. Google Classroom, I've learned a lot from, following people on Twitter or whatever social media. And so I'm learning it as well as kind of leading my students to learn how to use Google Docs, how to use Google Slides, and Google Classroom. Again, I absolutely love Google Classroom, and I'm excited to learn much more. I know I have a lot more to learn in the technology world. So I'm looking forward to this class, and it's nice to meet everyone.